So one of the most popular Seiko mods that we sell on our website is the Seiko Panda Daytona mod, and I thought in this video it would be a good idea to do an unboxing video for you and show you that watch in a little bit more depth, and also just to let you know that there are 2 of these ready to be shipped in stock on our website. So if you've been wanting to purchase yourself one of these, I highly recommend that you watch this video, go into the description below, check out the link and go straight there onto the website to order yours before they're all sold out. So this is the box that you're going to get, as you can see, modwatches.co.uk. Let's open the box and show you what is inside. Okay, so inside you're going to get a little card from us, just to help you leave a review. We do appreciate the pictures and the reviews that we get, so thank you so much for the people that do leave their review. Some bubble wrapping in here, and then we have the Seiko mod in this leatherette box here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up, and inside we are going to find the Seiko Panda Daytona. Take a look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous watch is this. So this one here, you can see, is heavily stickered up. So whoever is going to purchase this or the other one, they're all going to come like this. It's all going to be stickered up, ready for you to peel off, to give you that new watch feeling. And we can see, so 3 dials on the Daytona. This is a VK63 movement, Seiko VK63. It's a Meca-Quartz movement, which means it powers all 3 of these dials and also the big dial that you can see here. I'm not going to show you it working, because it is working, as you can see, but I'm not going to demonstrate it for you in this video because this one is all stickered up. So we do want this to stay like this for the client who is going to purchase from us. But if you do want to see this watch in action, we do have a video on our channel. You can check it out, where I'm running all of these dials through its paces to show you, what they do and how they work. It's going to come on a 904L stainless steel bracelet. This is the oyster bracelet. As you can see, it tapers down slightly when it comes to the clasp here. And of course the colour is a really nice, beautiful panda colour. Let's take you through some measurements. So we've got the measurement tool here, and if I can try and grab this edge here, it's going to say 43 mil, but that's including the sticker, so it is a 40 mil dial is this one. So perfect size for any wrist, to be quite honest. Then we have the bracelet width here, which is 19.8, so I'd say about 20 millimeters. And this also means that you can put any 20 millimeter bracelet on this. So if you want to put on a rubber bracelet, you can do that. If you want to put on a different bracelet, like a Jubilee or a like a presidential bracelet, you can do so. As long as it fits a 20 mil lug width, you should be absolutely fine. This piece and the other piece that we have made both have the oyster bracelet on. Unfortunately, we can't really change this because it is all stickered up. But if you do want to purchase a different bracelet along with this, please do let us know. We can definitely do that for you. And then just quickly here, we're going to do the thickness, which is about 12.5 mil. So very nice wearability on this. And if I can just pop this down, you can also see inside the box you're going to get a little tool as well that's going to help you resize the bracelet for your wrist. You can do it yourself, or you can ask us to do it, or you can go to a jeweler who can do it for you. Whatever's is easiest for you, you can do that. So let us know what you think, guys. All of these dials, well, the main 2 dials, you can see the hands and the hours, they do come with lume. All of the hour markers here also have lume on there as well. So when you do go into the night, obviously it's daytime at the moment, I can't show you, but in the night you will see those glow up as well. Like I said, one of our most popular Seiko mods that we've ever sold, and it's this one right here, and for good reason. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.